Hey there! Ever wondered if making money online is truly within your reach? It absolutely is, and today we're going to explore some genuine, empowering ways to do it. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about building real value and earning income through smart, accessible methods. Imagine leveraging your existing skills or discovering new ones that can open up exciting income streams. Whether you're a fantastic writer, a whiz with social media, or have a knack for organizing, there are platforms and opportunities waiting for you. We'll dive into how you can turn your talents into tangible earnings, creating a flexible income that fits your life. It's about finding what resonates with you, dedicating a little time and effort, and seeing those efforts pay off. We'll focus on strategies that are ethical, sustainable, and designed to empower you. Think about the freedom and possibilities that come with earning from anywhere on your own terms. This journey is about growth, learning, and unlocking your potential. We're here to guide you with practical, actionable advice that you can start implementing right away. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope this has sparked some inspiration and shown you that making money online is a realistic and rewarding endeavor. If you found this helpful, consider following along for more insights and tips to help you thrive.